lovers, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Sheun Oladile, and if you're new here, be sure to know that you are at the right place, especially if your goal is looking glam and put together on some serious low budget. So on my last video I was wearing this burgundy bob and you guys absolutely loved it. I got a lot of compliments, so I thought to myself, I'm going to share my secret with you so you can either use my method to make one of your own, a bob wig of course, or get the ones you already have looking badass like mine. So today I'm going to be showing you how I cut and style a classic bob for a beautiful client. And if you want to see how she rocked it, guys, she was so gorgeous. So be sure to watch it till the end to see a video of her wearing the wig. And guys, it was sitting so pretty. Today I'm going to be using this Vietnamese super double drawn hair from Total Glam. All the information you need will be left in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. And if you would like to see how I took these black bundles from black to that beautiful blonde color you saw earlier, be sure to leave a comment below and I'll make a totally new video showing you how I color my hair. So right now you can see me bleaching the hair from black, and before you know it, it's going to be blonde. And here is my beautiful blonde color, guys. Beautiful, as you can see. Guys, believe it or not, the story of how I became a hairstylist is a very funny one, but I believe strongly that if I can do it, you can do it, because I did not go to any school to learn how to do this. And we're going to be needing this argan oil heat protector, this hair dryer, and also my hot comb. This comb is fire. We're also going to be needing a brush, a detangling brush, and a small comb to get our hair looking all straight. So first I'm going to put like 3 pumps of the argan oil heat protector and just massage it thoroughly into the hair. Guys, you want to coat every single strand. Next, I'm going to blow dry the hair because right now it's wet from the heat protector we just added to the hair. So here is my very loyal straightener. Guys, I've been using this straightener for almost 4 years. I bought it from Bend Down Select in Nigeria for 3,500 only, and it's been serving your girl. So I'm just going straight into straightening the hair, and now let me just slow it down so you can see it better. So you pick the hair you want to work on, comb it thoroughly, and then hook it under and chase that comb with the straightener like so slowly. Now I'm not that slow because I actually slowed down this video so you can see it better, but that's how to do it, and this method is called the chase. Okay, so let me talk about the chase method real quick. The chase method is just a method of you using the comb to hold on to the hair while you chase it with the straightener to get it straight and nice. Now the reason why this method is really good is because of course it helps you hold on to the hair without using your hands, okay? And this makes it less likely for you to burn your hands, especially if you're not wearing gloves like me. So as you can see, I'm just like moving on to the next line, straightening using the the chase method, making sure the hair is nice and straight. Guys, the hair is all straightened out and you can see how flawless this baby is looking. So next I'm going to put the center part we need for the bob, and I'm going to use my super hot comb to flatten that place out. Guys, you need a hot comb in your life, whether for a bob or for your other wigs. The hot comb actually helps you make sure that your hair doesn't look bumpy, especially around the closure area. So get you a hot comb. I'll be leaving in the description box where you can get a hot comb in Qatar or in Nigeria or in the US. Okay, so here is what the hair looks like, guys. It looks flawless, it looks flowy, and it's beautiful. Next up is the cutting of the hair. Guys, before you cut, please measure the length you want your bob to be. I wore it first and then marked it, and then now I'm just cutting. I like using a clipper instead of a scissors because clippers are more precise and direct. However, be careful and make sure your hands are super steady when using a clipper, because you make a mistake, that's the end of it. So guys, we're done with the cutting of the hair. Now it is time to bob it. First, you want to pin up the areas that you're not going to be working on so you can have good access to the areas you're going to be working on. So as soon as I'm done pinning the hair, I'm going to grab a piece or a section of the hair and start at the very bottom. And this is how you bob your hair. Please pay attention. You start at the very base of the hair, and then as you work your way downwards, you slightly curve your hands inward. That way you get to your hair gets bobbed like so, like I'm doing in the video. You will see me repeat this motion throughout the entire head of this bob. Okay, baby dolls, let's talk about some of you who already own a bob, but it's just not looking like a bob. I don't know what it looks like, but it's just not looking like a bob. So you want to imitate what I am doing right now. However, I would advise that you wash your human hair properly. If you do not know how to wash it, I will leave in the description box below my wig wash tutorial, how I get my hairs, even old, very old hairs, looking like I just got it. So go watch that tutorial before you style your hair like I'm doing in this video. So guys, we're almost at the end of this bobbing section, and this is what it looks like. This is the finished product. Let me say this, guys. This is what a bob should look like. Well cut, well styled, flowy, silky, shiny, or should I say lustrous, because we didn't add any oil to this hair. Guys, what do you think? Be sure to leave a comment in the section below, because guys, we are all about this baby doll life. Let me know what you want me to do next. Would you like to see me make another wig? Would you like to see me sew a wig from the beginning till the end? If you want me to do this, please be sure to leave a comment in the section for comments. Okay guys, now I'll be showing you what this beautifully cut wig looks like on my client Joanna. Are you ready for this? Because Joanna be giving me life, oh, a life, Joanna, Joanna. Okay, Joanna, let's see your face. Wow, look at that baby girl. Like, just check her out. And look at that bob we just made, sitting so beautifully. This girl is fine. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. The next voice you'll be hearing is the voice of my manager.
I hope you like it. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. We love you.